Welcome to the GeoAI HMPI portal. This is a comprehensive system designed to automate the complex analysis of groundwater contamination risks. The process begins with simple data ingestion. A user selects a location and uploads the raw lab data. Our system immediately begins pre-processing the information and running it through our GeoAI engine. In the background, the platform is performing data cleaning, quality checks, and applying advanced spatial interpolation techniques like kriging to prepare for a multi-layered analysis. And here is the unified dashboard. At the top, you get an immediate risk summary. The system automatically calculates and displays the mean values for Heavy Metal Pollution Index (HPI), the Heavy Metal Evaluation Index (HEI), and the Overall Hazard Index (HI). As we scroll down, you can see detailed analytics. The contamination trend charts show historical and simulated future trends of pollution levels, allowing for predictive insights. Below that, the heavy metal proportion pie chart breaks down the specific pollutants, showing which metals like arsenic or lead are the primary contributors to contamination in this area. Now, we move to the spatial analysis. The interactive contamination heat map visualizes exactly where these pollution hotspots are, providing a clear geographical overview of policymakers. For public communication, the safe and unsafe zones map gives a clear, immediate indication of water safety. This analysis is standardized using nationwide uniform BIS and WHO thresholds to ensure consistency. And here is our predictive future. The next best sampling map uses GeoAI to recommend the most strategic locations for future monitoring. This helps optimize resources by guiding teams to areas where data is most needed. For a more granular analysis, the Charts tab provides a detailed look at the distribution of each individual heavy metal across all samples. This is crucial for understanding the specific nature of contamination. Finally, for full transparency and full technical users, the Data Table tab presents all the computed data, including coordinates, HMPI, HEI, and Hazard Index values for each level, in a clear, structured, and exportable format. From higher level heat maps to granular data tables, the GeoAI HMPI platform provides a complete end-to-end solution for managing India's groundwater safety. Now we will see our technical workflow and its approach through our PPT. We start with data ingestion, where groundwater samples and lab data, often in CSV, Excel, or SQL formats, are brought into our system through an ETL pipeline built on Pandas and SQL. Next is data pre-processing. Here we clean the data, handle missing values, normalize units, and apply QA/QC checks. This ensures we are working with standardized high-quality inputs, which is critical for contamination studies. The pre-processed data then moves into an automated HMPI engine built in Python and NumPy and Pandas. This module calculates indices like HPI, HEI automatically based on BIS and WHO thresholds, eliminating manual errors and ensuring consistency. From there, we enter the health risk layer powered by SciPy. Exposure parameters like TDI and RFD are applied, allowing us to compute THQ and HI values. These results classify risk as high, medium, or low, turning raw data into meaningful health insights. At the same time, results are processed by the GeoAI model using tools like Prykik, GDAL, and GeoPandas. We apply spatial interpolation methods such as kriging and IW to generate contamination heat maps and uncertainty surfaces. This is not only shows their pollutants are concentrated but also suggests new samples points to future monitoring. Finally, all outputs, health metrics, and spatial maps come together in a unified dashboard built with React and backend by scalable APIs through Fast API. The dashboard provides interactive maps, graphs, and downloadable reports. Policymakers can use this for decision making, while citizens and NGOs receive clear visual alerts. In short, our system transforms raw water quality data into actionable intelligence, delivering risk insights, spatial predictions, and a user friendly dashboard to guide better environmental and public health decisions. Thank you.